White and the Seven Dwarfs. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess with fair skin and blue eyes. She was so fair that she was named Snow White. She lived with her jealous stepmother, who was the queen of the palace. The queen had a magic mirror, and she would ask, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" And the magic mirror would say, "You are." But one day, the mirror replied, "Snow White." The queen was angry. She called the huntsman and ordered him, "Take Snow White into the forest and kill her." But the huntsman did not kill her. He took her into the forest and asked her to run away. Snow White was now all alone in the forest. She wandered deep inside the forest, crying. Finally, she reached a tiny cottage and went inside. The cottage was a mess. She found 7 plates on the table and 7 tiny beds in the bedroom. She cooked a meal and cleaned the house. Tired, she slept on one of the 7 tiny beds. Meanwhile, the owners of the house returned home. They were the 7 dwarfs who worked in a jewel mine. They were surprised to find everything so clean. They looked inside their bedroom and found the princess sleeping. When the princess woke up, she was charmed by the 7 dwarfs. The dwarfs listened to her story. To protect Snow White from the evil queen, they invited her to live with them. Back at the palace, the queen got to know that Snow White was still alive. She was enraged. She made a poisonous potion and dipped an apple into it. The queen disguised herself as an old peasant woman and went to the forest with the apple. She offered the poisoned apple to Snow White. Snow White took the apple as it really looked delicious. She took a bite of the apple and fell into a deep sleep. The peasant woman ran back to the palace. The dwarfs returned home singing. Suddenly, they saw Snow White lying unconscious on the floor. They tried to revive her but failed. The 7 dwarfs cried all night. They laid her in a crystal coffin on a bed of roses. Then they carried the coffin to the forest and each day laid a flower there. One day, a young prince came into the forest. He saw the 7 dwarfs sitting by Snow White. He got down from his horse. His eyes fell on Snow White lying in the coffin. The prince lifted the lid of the coffin and kissed Snow White. As soon as he kissed her, Snow White opened her eyes. The spell of the poisoned apple had been broken. My princess, you are alive, said the prince. The prince married Snow White and took her to his palace. They lived happily ever after. Moral: no matter how evil the force is, kindness always wins. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.